Hi there, it's Galen, design team member with Unity Stamp Company. Today I have a stamp creation for you using digital stamps, and I'm using kits by Unity Stamp Company. One is called Time to Be Grateful, and the other is In This Together. And I'm also using pattern paper by Unity called Autumn Dream. So these are two different sprigs that I use, and I just multi-stamp them or multi-place them in my software program that I use for digital stamps. You can manipulate them if you want to digitally, or you can just use them single and as they are on the digital samples that can be cut and just used as is. So I use the sentiment and the sprigs for that. I have Distress Oxide ink in fossilized amber and walnut stain colors. I'm using ink blending brushes. They are actually makeup brushes that I found online, and I use these for crafting, and they work just well, just fine for me for ink blending. I just go in small circular motions, one color at a time. And for this, I wanted it to be a nice sunny sky or a sunny, cheerful scene at the top. This is an uplifting, supportive card that I'm going to send, and I wanted it to be more of a masculine style. So instead of having the sprigs be used with the florals, I just wanted them to be used themselves, just to make a sort of a brush garden grassy scene there at the bottom, and to have a nice cheerful yellow sunny scene at the top. And so I used that fossilized amber color for that. So now at the bottom, I'm going to use these circular motions over and over again. I use a paper towel once I'm covering the area that has the oxide ink in it, because I don't want any fingerprints to be on there. So I just use small sections at a time, and I just gently, in circular motions, add that brown color. It's called walnut stain, and blend that into the yellow a little. So the darker areas will be along the edges, and I go over that more times than I do in the center. And so it's darker around the edges and then blended lightly towards the middle to blend it all in there. And so this is going to be sort of a rustic card, and it's going to be for use for anybody, a guy or a girl, to send just some thoughts during this time. And so to clean my brushes, I just rub them onto a piece of paper over and over, and a lot of that color comes off so I could use it again. Then I heat set that Distress Oxide ink just to make sure that nothing rubs off. I pre-trimmed both of these panels. This is the pattern paper wood grain that I decided to use for this as a background. And then I just adhered that top panel onto the bottom with foam tape. And I wanted something else, but I didn't want any gems. So I thought I would add some photo corners, just two of them, one on each diagonal corner there, just to make it a little more manly, maybe masculine if it's for a guy, or it works just fine for a girl too. So there you go. There's my card, and it's all ready to be given to somebody to show support and sort of a thinking of you card or a miss you card. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you take a moment to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.